Hello everyone, welcome to Automation Edge RPA AI Summit 2020. We have here our special guest, Mr. Anup Purohit, President and CIO for Yes Bank.
Thank you.
Hello Mr. Anup, welcome.
Thank you.
So Anup, please tell your experience so far at our summit here and how Yes Bank has been kind of leveraging Automation Edge and your digital transformation journey with us.
First of all, I think this is a phenomenal platform organized by Automation Edge, wherein you have both partner community as well as the user community coming onto the same stage and sharing experiences. So I think this is a phenomenal, and I think you should continue doing that. That will not only help in terms of creating more awareness about this in the user community, but at the same time with so much of energy across partners and consumers, will help you to ensure that you take this product to the next level of maturity, and I'm sure you will do that. So please continue with this. It's a phenomenal. As for customer of Automation Edge, I've known Uday for long now, and we've been kind of working with Automation Edge or parent company Vyom Lab for some time, and we have seen a huge success in this space of RPA. We are kind of graduating from a simple RPA to now getting into a more matured with AI cognitive built in it, and I'm sure we will now take it to the next level as well. So pretty happy with the experience what I have received. Two things which probably distinguish Automation Edge from the other global players is first the attitude, and I'm personally very big fan of the attitude, because if the attitude is right, technology will follow on that. So that's a big plus you guys have. Attitude to deal with the customers, attitude to disrupt the technologies, and I think you should continue doing that, and that will help to take the product to the next level of maturity and globally. Second is obviously in terms of the engagement which we have with the customers like us, and I think the approachability which we have with you personally, Uday, and your team. I think this is a good behavior, or I would say an advantage which you carry with yourself. Do not leave that, because that's where a customer like me get enthused. Because for me, technology simple hai, finance complicated hai, people most complicated, and once we are able to get that connect at the people level, then baki ka cheeze apne ho jata hai. So for me that's important, so continue that way.
Thank you. Thank you. We also have Uday Birajdar, who's our co-founder and CEO here too. So Uday, I know we launched our hyper automation platform with cognitive bots capability here. How do you see that kind of aligning it to our customers like Yes Bank for future transformation in terms of adding more AI cognitive capability? So I think based on what we heard from Anup, they're somewhere in the middle here where they've tested the platform, but there is a lot of opportunity for applying the new hyper automation platform we have. So do you see some synergies here where it's going to be a great partnership moving along in the years to come?
Yeah, definitely. I see a great potential there with the launch of Automation Edge Hyper Automation Platform with Cognibots. I see a great potential there. We already are talking with Anup and his team.
We had multiple
workshops where we see that clear-cut opportunities to use the AI technology in various departments, whether it is customers or on the IT side of it. And it will take, already Yes Bank has taken the automation to a great level where they are kind of doing is real critical financial transactions involved in electronic fund transfer, month-end salary transfers and all of that. Now they will be able to take it further in terms of great customer experience as well as great employee experience.
Sure.
Right. Anu, we want to add to that. I know you said at the start of the session that you guys already kind of launched and ahead of the journey here, and we launched our it's the world's first hyper automation platform with cognitive capabilities.
I'm
sure. Were you impressed, or what was your impression of that?
Absolutely, which is what I said at the first hour of your platform session, and I was awed. So it's a phenomenal innovation which you guys are doing, and I'm sure not only Yes Bank but lots of other customers across various domains will get benefited out of it. So I'm sure I'm personally enthused. I will work with my team, with my CTO to ensure that we kind of quickly look into this and then adapt it and make it a part of our stack. So,
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you
very
so much, Mr. Anoop,
Thank you.
for your time here
Thank you.
and
Thank you.
being our esteemed customer.
my pleasure.
Thanks for your time.
Thank you. Okay.